hard disks or above. And coming to the software requirement, I used a front end HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and backend. I used Flask and database, MySQL, SQL, Alchemy. Now, structured data and unstructured data. Success of human race is because of the ability to communication and share information. Now, that is where the concept of the language comes in. However, many such standard came up, resulting in many such language, with each language having its own set of basic shape called alphabet, and the combination of the alphabet result is verse. The combination of this word arrange meaningfully result in the formation of the sentence. Now sentence, each language has a set of rule that is used which developing this to the world. What is the 1821 century? According to the industry estimation, only 21 percentage of this available data is present in the structured format that is being generated as we speak, as we tweet, as we send a message on WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, or throughout text message. And the majority of this data exists in the textual form, which is highly unstructured in nature. In order the procedure significance and the actionable insight from the text data, it is important to get the equivalent with the technique of text analysis. Now understand what is the text analysis. First we are show that the architecture which is used here. First the user raw data is given here, and then which is string format, then the sentence segmentation, and sentence is the list of the string which is tokenized, and tokenization and tokenization sentence the list of string parts of speech tagging this, and then the post of sentence, the list of the tuple, and entry detection the was the database in the chunk sentence list of the tree which is detected here, and the relation detection, and then relation of this list of the tuple which is the result which was here. Now coming to the what is the sentiment analysis. Firstly, sentiment analysis is the type of data mining that measure the inclusion of the people opinion through the natural language processing or NLP, computational linguistics, and the text analysis, which are used to extract and analyze subjective information from the web, mostly social media and the similar source. The analysis data quantifies the general public sentiment or the reaction towards the current product or people or idea, and the reveal of this conceptual polarity of the information. Sentimental analysis is also known the opinion mining. Now, sentimental analysis which are used here this, or it is the text and is it positive or negative or the neutral. Now, what is the text mining? Now, text mining is also known as the text analysis. Is the process of transforming unstructured text into the structured data for the easy analysis. As we know, maximum data text in unstructured. Now that's why the text mining is very important. Text mining use natural language processing or NLP, allowing the machine to understand the human language and process it automatically. NLP, natural language processing, is the part of AI artificial intelligence, that's the studies how machine interact with human language and combine with machine learning algorithm. NLP the create system that learn to perform tasks on their own and get better through experience. Now how we here use the NLTK models. On NLTK models we download this here, and NLTK is the leading platform for building Python program to work with human language data. It produces easy to use interface to over 50 corpora and lexical resource such as the WordNet along with the suite of the text processing library for classification, tokenization, stemming, tagging, parsing, and semantic reasoning warfare of the industry strength NLP libraries and an active discussion forum. And NLTK which mostly use the tokenization, limitation, streaming, stop word, and that's we are huge. Now coming to tokenization. Tokenization is generally three part: n-gram, bigram, and trigram. N-gram means token at any number of the consecutive written work known as the n-gram. Tokenization of two consecutive written word known as the bigram, and token of three consecutive written word known as the trigram. And tokenization. Tokenization is the process by which big quantity of text is divided into smaller part called token. Natural language processing is used to building applications such as text classification, intelligence, chatbot, sentiment analysis, language translation, etc. It's become a vital to the understand the pattern in the text to achieve the above state purpose. These tokens are very useful for finding such pattern as well as is considered as the best step for stemming and limitation. Now, how to remove the stop word with NLTK in the Python? That's the very important part in our project. The process of converting data to something a computer can understand is referred to as preprocessing. One of the major form of the preprocessing is to filter out useless data. In natural language processing, useless word data are the referred to as a stop word. Stop word means once tokenization, next stop word removed. That is the differentiating the word which has specific meaning from the word which add the structure to the sentence. Such as we used as geek for geeks, a computer science petrol for geeks. It is the simple text, and now without the stop word, it's a geek for geeks, computer science patrol geeks. Can listening be the existence? Listening existence. I like reading, so I read. Here without stop word, like reading, read. That's the stop word, and with you here. How to work this project? First, the text, the raw data user is used to server, and then its tokenization, and then pre-processing text, removing the stop word, and stemming and limitation, and the features engineering stage where bag of word, TF, IDF, word embracing. Now we create a model building, and then model evaluation, and then the comes to the our result which is positive, negative, or neutral. Future use. The future of the sentiment analysis is going to continue to dig deeper far past the surface of the number of like, comment, share, and aim to reach the truly understand the significance of the social media interaction and the what they tell us about the consumer behind the scenes. This forecast also predict broader application for the sentiment analysis. Brand will continue to leverage this tool, but so will individual in the public eyes, government, non-profit, education center, and many other organizations is huge used in this. Now coming to my web server, and then I show how it's work. Now it's my server where I use the plugs in backend. Now home page. This is welcome to the Java enterprise in my enterprise and our product electronics books this etc. And I used the details of this product details but the coming to the query where the customer feedback here only not is the product base, it is also the other type of parts you use here, the customer total customer and feedback this here. Now enter the name and send to the server. And another feedback I have another feedback the other name here the feedback of this message and send them another query send them. Now I here used a product manager who can see the prediction of this customer. Now coming to the product manager here. First, he register here. If he has no account, then login also. And here he login, and then here his profile, his notification, his chat and offer zone, and also here the number of the text, number of the image, number of the video, and number of the voice call, and the daily report room, which date the customer has given this feedback. I use the chart bar, line chart bar, and then status bar is the income and sales, user and order. Now coming to the customer feedback, have the customer list. In this customer feedback here. Now I predict this review, and now predict this positive sentiment score 0.361 and emotion happy. Also, I hate this product and predict this. This is negative minus 0.5179 and emotion emoji, which is most attractive. Yeah, and this neutral word. That's the emotion is unsatisfied. And now mostly I used the hand feedback. The here we used the particular product, number of the positive, number of the negative, and number of the neutral feedback. Here use the bar chart. That's the product manager understand this product is vital or not, and then he can going through the offer zone and go in this offer. Now coming to the conclusion part. Conclusion part. Enterprise AI is the uniquely powerful tool for the business that are the looking to measure attitude, feelings, and emotion regarding their brand. To date, the majority of the sentiment analysis project have been conducted almost exclusive by the company and brand through the use of social media data, survey response, and the other half of the user generate content by investigation and analyzing customer sentiment. And these brands are able to get an inside look of the customer behavior and ultimately better serve their audience with their product, service, and experience, and go through the offer of this customer via mail or this phone call, etc. Then the attractive of this side, objective of this product side, the customer view and reach continuously. Thank you.